For breaking inputs coming in, Enforcement Directorate's plea on Shahjahan in Calcutta High Court. ED and CBI both make arguments in High Court. The CBI has sought custody and documents by 3 p.m. Bhavtosh is getting us more details. Bhavtosh, the state police yesterday refused to hand over custody and other material related to the case. Today, both ED and CBI presenting their arguments in the Calcutta High Court.
Yes, Swati, in fact, the hearing is still going on in the Calcutta High Court, and Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, appearing for the Enforcement Directorate, has said that this case is a fit case of contempt, primarily because despite the orders from the Calcutta High Court, the custody of Shahjahan Sheikh was not given, and there is in fact not any kind of stay being given from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has refused to hear this matter, and there should be a contempt of court proceedings from the Calcutta High Court. The CBI counsel has also said that yesterday when the CBI tried seeking the custody of Shahjahan Sheikh, what the DIG CID said that this matter, that this entire thing would be heard only after the Supreme Court hears this matter and an order is passed. And what both Enforcement Directorate and CBI is informing the court is that the whole idea is to frustrate the CBI, because they also know that in the Indian criminal law, the custody of an individual after 14 days gets over. Then whether it's CBI or any federal probe agency, no one can get the custody. The hearing is still going on, but what CBI as well as Enforcement Directorate is telling the court is that they should immediately get the custody of Shahjahan Sheikh, because 8 to 10 days of custody is already over, and if this matter drags on further, then they won't be able to get the custody of Shahjahan Sheikh. And also they have told the court is that contempt of court proceedings should be initiated against the police officers who refuse to give the custody of the accused in this case, despite a very explicit order being given by the Calcutta High Court.
Right. Essentially, what the agency is also saying, Bhavtosh, is that just because there's an appeal in the Supreme Court does not mean that there's any stay on the directions that have been issued by the High Court, isn't it?
Yes, Swati, in fact, that's what the court has been told, that despite West Bengal government filing a plea in the Supreme Court, that matter has not been heard. No date has been given in that matter. CBI has already filed an FIR. That FIR was filed at around 8 p.m. The CBI team went to the CID headquarters yesterday at around 4:30 p.m. They stayed there for 2 hours. The case papers and documents, case diary was not handed over to them. Shahjahan Sheikh's custody was not given to the CBI. Every minute of custody of Shahjahan Sheikh is illegal. That's very important submission that was made by Additional Solicitor General, that from 4:30 p.m. onwards, every minute of the custody of Shahjahan Sheikh with CID is illegal, and but has to wait and see what the Calcutta High Court order will be. Very interesting developments are taking place in the Calcutta High